front of the Massey building, originally known as the Tower building before it was dedicated to Mr. Massey, the first county executive. Back half a century ago, 1967, they started this building, and it actually was being built to be the government center for that era. The county government offices moved from the old courthouse facility. They consolidated everything over here to the Massey building, and that's where your county government actually operated out of for a time. It held the boardroom downstairs, government offices, all the different services the county offered, and the executive offices in the actual structure. The Massey building saw its tenure as the government center, and then during the 1980s, as things continued to expand in Fairfax County, they needed a larger government center. And this building was repurposed to become the police department's headquarters and the fire department's headquarters. And it's been utilized as that since the time of the early 90s when the county government moved out to Fair Lakes. When they originally built the Massey building, they developed and built into the basement EOC, the Emergency Operations Center. This, for its time, was well ahead of a lot of locations where we had a combined police and fire dispatch, communications, and call-taking facility, and to be used to dispatch fire and police calls as needed. The building served its purpose for a long time. A lot of history is here for our agency, as likewise it is for the fire department and other county entities.